up YouTube? Andrew over here at a car meet. We just got kicked out of a parking ramp, so here we are hanging out at this indoor kart racing parking lot. People still arriving. It's gonna be dope. Here's Jordan, my girlfriend Catherine. There's a badass little Subaru there. Got Jordan's car, and this little Subi, little bug eye. Got that Subi Flow. Oh, that's a badass G8. Look at this guy, straight savage. It's like 30 degrees out. He's driving around topless. How about that? These wheels, these are cool. Check this out. Got this RS. Some Subis. Got that STI. Super clean lowered BMW. Got a little bit of camber back here, it looks like. Check out this VRZ. Looks like it's got Borla exhaust. This thing's pretty clean. Misfits, Minnesota. Straight savage unicorn mode right there. ST Focus, super clean BMW. Oh, crazy backfire on that one. Don't really want a trunk lid or a spoiler. Woo. Whomps! Whomps! Hello, Wrangler. Ooh, this thing is mean. Fucking Honda Civic with a light bar, classy. Subi Flow with those blue headlights, that's badass. Nice Audi, BMW, Infiniti. There's your people, Jordan. Not anymore. Look at everybody scatter. They're out of here. First cop sighting, and they're just like, nope, we're out of here. Look at them all scattering like cockroaches. They're just getting out of here. Oh, look at them all. Cops don't even have to say anything to anybody, and then we're just out of here, just like that. How about that, my friends? Everybody's running. They all got drugs on them. Everybody was smoking weed here. I could smell it. Come on, let's go. My car is looking good though. Holy cow. Uh-oh. They're here. Our friends are here. It's time to leave. Go home, they said. Okay, I'll go home. always gotta come and kill our fun. What are you gonna do though? What are you gonna do? Alright, that's all. I'm going home now. Oh look, there's a bunny. Okay, bye bunny, bye. Bye Felicia.